Uwharrie RV in Albemarle, North Carolina. We got a 2018 Forester LE. This is a model number 3251. This is a beautiful unit. It's got multiple slides. It's powered by a 6.8 liter Ford. It's a E450 series chassis. And this is a pre-owned unit. It's got right at 4,300 miles on it. So if you're looking for low mileage, this is a good one for you here. This does have an Onan generator. It's fully self-contained. It's got lots and lots of storage in it. Goes all the way through to the other side. And this unit does have a walkable roof. It's got a nice ladder rack. If you're towing a car behind you, this does have the tow package already on it. It's got a really nice power awning. All LED lights. And let's check out the inside. This is a reclining sofa. 3-burner cooktop. It's a good sized little oven. This does have the large deep sink that is an aluminum. Upgraded faucets. It's got the Norcold refrigerator. Got a great size freezer. And you can run these while you're driving down the road, at least in most states. That's your master control panel up here. This does have the Arctic pack if you're going up north. Nice dinette that folds into a bed. And then right up here we got our sleeper over the cab. Got a really nice sized television up top here. Got your cup holders. And you got some really beautiful cabinetry in this unit. And in this last slide back here, that is a bed and a couch. And we have another fold-down bunk bed in the back. And this just folds up out of the way. Back here, tons of storage. Got hanging closets, his and hers on both sides. You do have a nice television in the back here. And you got a full queen walk-around bed in this unit. More storage. It's for your central air conditioning. And there is a privacy door right here for the master bedroom. And inside the bathroom, we got a large tub shower. Nice vanity, your commode there, lots of room around it. Got additional television here. So you got a total of 3 TVs on this unit. Jensen stereo. And this does have the Atwood air conditioning. Take one last walk around the outside here again. And we're located right outside Charlotte, North Carolina. take 2427 east. It's a really nice drive out in the country. If you just want to visit the area, we're actually in between 18 campgrounds. Great place to bring a motorcycle. And we're about 10 minutes from Baden Lake and 10 minutes from Lake Tillery. You take your pick. You can finance this unit for up to 20 years. We deal with most major lending institutions in the United States. We have some really great interest rates right now, which will give you some great buying power and really low payment. If you have any questions, please feel free to call the dealership. You can check us out online at uwarirv.com. Please like our page. Thank you for watching and happy camping.